Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in this video we have very simple question. It is about mean. They say that if the mean of PQRST is 10, they are asking us to calculate the mean of this P plus 1, Q plus 2, R plus 3, S plus 4 and T plus 5. Right? For that, first we should know what is mean. Right? What is mean of any data. Suppose you have five numbers 1, 2. I will say, suppose you have five numbers. That numbers can be anything. I will write 3, 7, 9, 4, 1. Okay. And you need to find out the mean. Then what do you do? For finding out the mean, you just add all the numbers. You will add all the numbers. And then how many numbers are there? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will divide it with 5, right? This is the process to finding out the mean. So if I add them, 10 plus 10, 24. So this is 24 by 5, right? So if you just find out 5 fours are 20, 4.8, you will find the mean. This is how we calculate the mean. Now we will read our question. Now we know the method to find out the mean. Now they say us, if the mean of these five numbers, so that means if you add these five numbers P plus Q plus R plus T plus S divided by 5, this is the mean. Then they say mean is equal to 10, right? Then they are asking us to find the mean of what? This thing. If I want to find the mean of these five numbers, likewise I will have to add all the numbers P plus 1 plus Q plus 2 plus R plus 3 plus S plus 4 plus T plus 5, and I will have to divide it with 5 only because they are also 5, right? So if I just separate the variables and the numbers, what would happen? So if I will write P plus Q plus R plus S plus T together, and these numbers 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. This is how I write it, okay? So now what would I do? I would just break it in two parts. How? I will write P plus Q plus R plus S plus T by 5 separately plus 15 by 5 separately, right? Why? Because I know the value of this thing. I know that the value of this thing is what? 10, right? It is given. So I will just substitute 10 here for this whole thing. For this whole thing, I will substitute 10 plus 15 by 5 is 3. So the answer is 13, right? So I hope you understood this. It was not hard at all. It was easy. And if you want to watch these types of questions, you can visit my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.